Here I have VIVO Y76, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and then hold down your finger on shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. And as you can see right now I took like 20 shots, and here we can review all these burst shots I took right now. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.